So hot water low, when you put in butter, it makes this really yummy emulsion, like a sauce sort of a consistency. And now let me show you the secret is add your pasta water. Even people who don't cook can make this recipe. It is that simple. I will have this straight out of the pan except that it's steaming hot. This is my 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cottage cheese, baking powder, and then that is my pink salt, which I use for my cooking and baking. And of course, I'm going to knead it, see how it turns out. Okay, let's go actually. I will. I'm thinking it may require a little bit of water at some point. But this is just like one of those viral recipes, and I've never tried them actually. So let's see how it goes. Guys, these bagels are it. Like, I will not stop making this now for a very long time because it is a hit, it is a success, and they look so good and they smell so good. Let me show you. Meanwhile, we will be prepping our third recipe, which is sweet potato muffins. Okay, and I have these roasted sweet potatoes that I stored, I think yesterday or the day before, in the refrigerator. So this is only a thing that will like be the most time consuming. Just cut open sweet potatoes, put them in the oven for like 30 minutes, take it out with a spoon and mash it up. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is our sweet potato. Koncham, I've microwaved it a little just so it gets super soft. And I am mashing it up now. And idi mana usual recipe. Yeah, like our banana bread recipe. I'm just going with that, but I'm leaning more into like autumn flavor, like autumn winter flavors. So sweet potato with pecan, like nuts chopped up. I'm going for that. I know Sankar doesn't like nuts, but I'll make like separate chocolate chip ones for him. And I have my muffin liners out, and also doing some holiday baking for friends and family. So there's that. And yeah, mash up the sweet potatoes. Add in our egg. This is my egg wash by the way. Mundu bagels the only point. Adi. 2 eggs is usually.
One. It's okay. Done.
It's a lot of quantity. So adding the butter, it's very little. You don't need a lot of fat when you're using fruits because they release their own sweetness. So I don't use a lot of butter or oil when I'm making these things. Just enough to get my batter shiny. And next up we have a little bit of jaggery. And then malli according to taste. This is chai patti. Apologies.
What do you add?
1.5 tablespoons of jaggery or brown sugar, whichever you prefer. Vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon should do it. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon, maybe a little more depending on your quantity. Just a pinch should be fine. Our batter is batter is ready. Sweet potato batter. I've put in nuts, and I'm gonna make different batches. So, like in these ones, I will put choco chips. In these ones, I will not put choco chips. So yeah, I have a different plan for each set that I'm gonna be baking. And yeah, the batter looks good. Nuts maybe koncham ekku takku veyochu according to taste. I will show you once I have transferred everything into the baking tins. Like I said, I'm making different batches for everyone. So this one has choco chips and nuts, and then this one will have only nuts because this one is for grown-ups. Putting a layer of nuts in the middle. Okay, so these are my 3 batches that I am baking. These are for friends and family. This is for Advaito. In they go at our usual banana bread temperature. So we are now waiting for those to bake, and meanwhile we're gonna have dinner. We're probably gonna have bagels and cream cheese for dinner tonight. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. I will show you the end result, but I hope that at least one of these recipes will make your life easy.
What is your motive behind doing like 3 recipes in 1 hour? What do you want to convey?
That everything's really easy and simple if you let it be. So, and most of my recipes today you've seen is just 3-4 ingredients. Doesn't take too much time for people who are busy, for people who want something quick but also healthy, yummy, delicious. Then these recipes are for you. And out of 3, 2 were new recipes, experiments, and I think they were a hit.
Maza aa gaya?
Yummy, unda? Now I can proudly say that all new recipes have been a hit. These are my sweet potato pecan breads, I guess. Okay, that's what we're gonna call it. And I'm gonna cut open one of the muffins just to show you how it looks on the inside. I think this is the one with the chocolate chip. But yeah, the other ones I just sprinkled a little bit of jaggery on top of them. And it is my different decoration with the pecans. But let me show you how it looks inside. Super soft. It's a different construction than banana bread because I think it's just the fiber from the sweet potato that makes it more gooey and soft. Is this focus? Is this focusing? Yeah. This is how it looks. And
Give me a bite. Bite, taste test.
sorry, we have to give some to Advait too. Can you taste the sweet potato though?
No. If
It's
you gave this to me without my knowledge of it being a sweet potato, I wouldn't have known, yeah.
Yeah, and I think the best part about this recipe is almost zero butter, like maybe half a tablespoon, very little butter, not even half a tablespoon.
We added a lot of
Brown sugar, like yeah, we did add
jaggery.
more jaggery than usual because the sweetness isn't there.
Yeah.
But I think if you just picked more ripe sweet potatoes, you wouldn't have to add as much jaggery or brown sugar. But yeah, I think the best part is like 0 to almost zero butter. Okay, so this has been our cooking expedition for today. We've done 3 recipes in under an hour. And yeah, feel free to pick any one of those. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one.